today we're going to take you on a little bit of a different journey. We're actually going to interview a local Cambodian lady, affectionately known as Mummy. And we're going to have a chat to her. Sopni will have a chat to her in Khmer because she doesn't talk English, and then we will translate it back into English so that you can all understand. This is going to be something a little bit different, that's for sure. Interviewing somebody who's in their 70s and they've lived, before Khmer Rouge and lived through race, family, businesses, etc. So we're really looking forward to this interview, and we hope you come along with us and enjoy it as well.
Hello, Mummy. Mummy អាយុប្រហែលឆ្នាំ 74 ឆ្នាំចូល75ហ្នឹង Mummy old 75ឆ្នាំ 75 year yeah Mummy ចំអិនម្ហូបហ្នឹង Mummy ម៉ែធ្វើម្ហូបមួយថ្ងៃប៉ុន្មានដងតែម្ដងងាយឡើងតែថា2ដងទៅone day cook 2 time lunch and dinner yeah មកទឹកទៅ30ថ្ងៃម៉ែឯងតែអញធ្វើរកមកយូរឈួតទេ Mummy go to market every day ម៉ែឯងកូនម៉ែ Mummy children 5 ចៅម៉ាអ្នកចៅ4នាក់ grandson 4 yeah and តបបើកលក់មួយឆ្នាំហើយតប30ហើយ30ឆ្នាំជាង 3 year from open shop yeah one មកទឹកពេលណាម៉ែឯងទៅវត្តទៅថ្ងៃសិលមកទឹកម្ដងអីមកទឹកម្ដង Mummy go to Pagoda 1 week only one yeah yeah ពេលម៉ែឯងរៀបការហ្នឹងរៀបការពេលណាឆ្នាំណាឆ្នាំ1977 When Mummy marry 1977 year yeahម៉ែឯងរស់នៅនឹងប៉ុន្មានឆ្នាំអីយាយខ្ញុំបឹងត្បែកណាចាមានហេតុអាយុ30ឆ្នាំហើយ32 90 35យាយ91 34 Mummy stay here 3-4 years go 1930 yeah Mummy ខុកនៅនឹងប៉ុន្មានឆ្នាំហើយនៅក្រៅផ្ទះហ៎ប៉ុន្មានឆ្នាំបើខុកនៅតែក្រៅផ្ទះមែននៅតែក្រៅផ្ទះអញ្ចឹងអូ Mummy cook outside all the time no inside yeah
All right, there we go. A short little interview with local legend Mummy. Sopani, as you can see, she tried her best to talk to Mummy in Khmer and then translate it back into English, which is not always easy to do because they don't use the same pronunciations and vocabulary that we do when we talk English. However, we thought it was interesting to learn a little bit and see an insight into Mummy's world. We did try to talk to her a little bit about the genocide and living through that. However, she was a little bit reluctant to do that, which is okay, and we're fine with that. So we did have to cut some of that out of the video because it's just not really appropriate. But if you like this and you want to see some more content like this and interviewing some locals, please comment below. We'd love to do some more, and we'll see how we go with that. In the meantime, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share it with everybody because we want to bring you more of this type of flavour of Cambodia. Thank you and bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.